How to enable game overlays on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable game overlays on Android. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So to enable game overlays on Android, you usually need to grant display over other app permissions in your phone's settings. So for your Android, open up your settings, search for apps and then open it up. Scroll down till you find special app access. After you're there, you'll see display over other apps or draw over other apps. Tap on it, and from here you'll need to find the game that you want to overlay. So search for a game that you want to overlay, and after you find the game here, you can simply tap on it to turn it on. If you don't see the game here, it might be due to the game not supporting any overlay features. So yeah, all you have to do is tap on it. Let me show you an example and toggle this button on, and it's that simple. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.